Have you ever woken up during the night with the duvet bunched up inside the duvet cover? Your duvet has slipped down and there is just loose fabric at the top of the bed. This can cause disturbed sleep and make you wake up feeling cold and unsettled during the night. Also, when you wake up and try and make the bed in the morning, the duvet being screwed up in a ball is annoying and takes too much effort to straighten out before making the bed neatly. This video will show you how to keep your duvet tidy and manageable so you can stay warm and get a good night's sleep and keep your bedsheet tidy with minimum effort. Why does the duvet move around inside its cover? Well, it is gravity and movement during the night which causes this, such as rolling over and switching position to your side. So you can solve this problem with a spare 30 minutes and it will cost you nothing. So here's what you'll need: some scissors, a ruler, and a needle with some cotton, and some lengths of fabric that will sew to the duvet and duvet cover. You can get your fabric from an old t-shirt or anything lying around. You need to cut 3 pieces of fabric and cut them to 10 to 12 inches in length, which will be the ties on the duvet cover. And you also need to cut 3 pieces of fabric to a length of 2.5 to 3 inches, which will be the loops of the duvet. So what you're going to do is get your duvet and duvet cover and attach ties and loops to the top of them so the duvet will not slide down during the night and bunch up and make things uncomfortable. See the following diagram below. Step 1. Attaching the loops to the duvet. Firstly, lie your duvet on the bed neatly, ready to do some sewing. So you need to get the top of the duvet, the part that will be the closest to your face when sleeping, and begin to sew the 3 loops across the corners of the duvet and also in the middle, as shown in the following pictures, creating a small loop. 2 loops and 2 ties may be enough, but sometimes not having a middle attachment can allow the duvet to sag in the middle once inside the duvet cover, so I prefer using 3 loops. Make sure when doing this that you sew the loops into the very edge of the duvet. This is a thicker and already sewn area that is strong and secure. Do not sew into the thinner duvet material to prevent any duvet contents coming out. The loops need to hold a bit of tension and pulling from the ties due to gravity, so they need to be attached to a strong and tough area like this. Step 2. Attaching the ties to the duvet cover. Again, locate the top of the duvet cover and be ready to sew on 3 ties, 2 on each corner and 1 in the middle. First of all, you need to turn the duvet cover inside out and then start sewing the 10-12 inch ties to both corners and 1 in the middle to match the loops that were sewn before on the duvet. Sew the ties in the middle so that there is an equal length so a double knot can be tied at a later stage, as shown here in the picture. The top of the duvet cover looks like this, while the bottom of the duvet has buttons on it to seal the duvet cover once the duvet is inside. Step 3. Attaching the duvet to the duvet cover. Lie the duvet on top of the duvet cover and begin to thread your ties through the loops on the duvet cover and tie it into a ball securely. Tie all balls around each loop to finish. Word of caution: only tie these knots like tying a shoelace and do not make these knots permanent, because you want to be able to undo these knots quickly and easily when separating the covers in order to wash them. Unnecessary number of loops and ties added. As shown in this video, only attach 2 to 3 loops and ties on the covers, as any more is too much and unnecessary and just time consuming. The duvet will slide down because of gravity, so by attaching the duvet to the duvet cover at the top, this prevents this from happening. Apply the loops to the top edge as shown in the picture diagram here. Step 4. Turning the duvet cover back to the normal side. Once the attachments are made, stuff the duvet inside the duvet cover so the duvet cover is now reversed and showing the correct pattern on top. Straighten the duvet cover inside the cover and shake to get rid of any creases, folds or bumps in the duvet, so the duvet is spread out evenly inside the duvet cover as shown in the picture. Step 5. Button up the duvet cover. Finally, once the duvet cover looks straight, flat and neat, all you need to do is fasten the buttons at the bottom of the duvet cover. I hope this helps and makes life a little easier, and you get a good night's sleep and spend less time making the bed in the morning. Bye for now.